This is the second part of the video about working with symbols, so let's continue with the next function, which is symbol info tick. Symbol info tick, it works in a similar fashion, returns a tuple, and you have to provide as parameter the symbol name, and yes, let's go to this one, symbol tick, and again I'm going to create a variable. And MT5.symbol, where is it? Symbol info tick. Okay, and let's use GBP USD. For example, if I run this one, you can see here that this is the tick information. This object contains this data, so bid price, ask price. If you want to access this one, again the same way, symbol tick, the variable name, dot bit. Of course, this is not real time, the object has been created already, but if you use it as part of your trading algorithm, you could access the real time tick data, bit or ask or whatever it is. You can see here symbol tick that the size is 8, which means that it contains 8 elements. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, if you want, you can convert this into a dictionary. Once again, I'm not going to repeat every time this same function, but if you have a tuple and you want to convert it to a dictionary, you can use this method. Okay, this is the symbol tick. What else about it? I think this is enough for the symbol tick. And about symbol select, the last one. So you can see here two parameters. The first one is the symbol name. You get the idea about this string. And the second one, enable, which could be set to true or to false. And let me explain what's going on here. If I go to my market watch, my MetaTrader terminal, I have different symbols here that are included in the market watch, and for example, I've been using here the GBP USD, but if I want to use for example a symbol that's not currently included in my market watch, for example European dollar, Canadian dollar, you can see I don't have it here, and if I try to access information about this symbol like the tick data, here symbol tick, you can see that it's non-type. Currently no information has been retrieved about this symbol because it's not included in the market watch, and you can do that programmatically. You can of course go to market watch and add your USD, your Canadian dollar manually, and now if I go back to Spider and if I run this one, now you can see, where is it, that here you have access to the symbol tick data of the Euro Canadian dollar, but you can delete it of course from here. Let me delete it so I don't have it now, and you can use the function from the documentation symbol select to add or to remove instruments to your market watch, and this is defined here in this second parameter. If you set it to true, it will add instrument to your market watch, or if you set it to false, it's going to remove an instrument from the market watch. So let's use this function. I'm going symbol select, and okay, MT5. I'm not going to create variable this time. Symbol, where is it? Select, and select the symbol name, Euro Canadian. Remember, I don't have it currently in my market watch, so if I type here true, and if I run this function, true, which means that it was successfully added to my market watch. Let's confirm this. Yes, it's here. And if you do the reverse, if you just set this parameter to false, it should remove the Euro Canadian from my market watch. It says true, which means that it was successfully removed, and here you can see that you don't have it anymore in your market watch. And I think that's all for symbols. You see how you can work with symbol information, how to access the different properties, the different attributes of the different symbols. You can filter by group parameter, you can access tick data and so on. So this is really important when we start working in our trading algorithm. We are going to constantly retrieve different symbol information because we need real-time data, especially about bid prices, ask prices and so on. But let's conclude this video. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one. Bye.